talked earlier about how keratinocytes are important for the skin barrier in order to keep pathogens out of our bodies, even if they are usually present on the surface of the skin. Damage to the barrier, such as by scratching or cuts, can create a defect in the barrier, allowing external pathogens to enter the skin and cause infection. One example of this infection that can occur is a condition called impetigo. Bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus, which is usually present in abundance in the environment and does not normally cause any problems, can result in painful sores, typically around the nose and mouth, when there is a break in skin, and the keratinocytes are not able to keep this bacteria out. Although this is quite a common condition, it is easily treated with antibiotics, and therefore not too much of a cause of worry. Another type of cells we have discussed are mast cells, and for reasons that are not entirely clear at the moment, they can become overly active and respond inappropriately to things like allergies, such as food allergies, infections, or even when coming in contact with cold items or following pressure, such as carrying a handbag. This then results in the release of histamine, which causes the blood vessels in the skin to become leaky, resulting in what is known as hives as well. This is problematic for those who experience it, as it is extremely itchy and can be quite distressing. Fortunately, although up to 20% of people can experience it during their lifetime, in most people, where there are no clear triggers, it usually resolves by itself after some time. There are some conditions which people typically recognize as being more what they call autoimmune conditions, where the immune cells somehow think that some parts of our bodies are pathogens begin to attack itself. In the skin, there is a condition called vitiligo, where a type of T cell, the CD8 T cells, start to destroy the pigment in our skin, resulting in white patches. This pigment is called melanin and is normally what provides the color to our skin. Unfortunately, this condition can be permanent and can progress to develop new areas or existing white patches to enlarge as well. Another skin condition you may have heard of or even experienced yourself is called eczema, otherwise known as atopic dermatitis. This arises when there is an imbalance in the activity of different groups of T cells, with what is known as Th2 cells being more predominantly active. Eczema causes dryness and itching of the skin, as well as pain when the dry areas crack. Itching results in some people scratching, and this then leads to a risk of skin infections, as remember the skin barrier is defective. Eczema can affect any part of the body, but most commonly involves sites on the inside of the elbows and behind the knees. In most people, it usually improves as they get older, and we don't quite know exactly why this is. You might wonder, well, I know these conditions can be problematic when immune cells don't function properly, but is there some more relevance to it? Well, it's extremely important to understand how these immune cells function, as this provides us opportunities to develop understanding of the pathways and then develop new treatments which can be effective for treating these conditions.